Lilia de la Cruz. Miss Lilia is a registered pharmacist in the Philippines. Here in UK, she works as a data management lead for Guy's and St. Thomas Hospital Clinical Research Trial platform and have been working in NHS for 18 years now. Please let us all welcome our Sales Master, Lilia. Sales Master Lilia, the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Hi. Good evening. My name is Lilia. Yes, as you know, I came to know Atomy through my friend Cherry. She introduced the products and company to me back in February last year. So I was won over at the time by just how much the evening care has transformed her skin. Out of curiosity, I tried the products too. And since then, I've never looked back. I've used all the Atomy products available in the UK and also a lot of those that are only currently available in Korea. So I have made many friends many new friends and social connections through Atomy. I also received my sales mastership last December, and so I would like to take this opportunity as well to thank my sponsor and dear friend Cherry for introducing me to Atomy, as well as thank the leaders and all my partners for helping me with my journey to become a sales master. I'm a pharmacist by education, but I currently work in the R&D department of Guy's and St. Thomas Hospital as a data management lead. My work revolves around the analysis and interpretation of clinical trials data collected by researchers across all our clinical trial sites in the UK. Because of the nature of my work, I have a deep appreciation of Atomy products. I know just how much work and money has gone into researching and developing each one of them. And so tonight, of course, I will be going through two of their amazing products. um, I'm sorry, I'd have to start with Synergy Ampule, uh, because that's how I did my research. And my slides were in that order as well. Apologies. So the Synergy Ampule is one of my most favorite Atomy products. It's also very easy to sell, primarily because it promises to deliver amazing results after just 1 month. So, just to be sure that it really does what it claims on the print, I bought a set for myself and tried it in December. I wasn't disappointed because after just 2 weeks, I noticed that my skin pore size, especially the one on my nose, have gone so much smaller. Aside from that, my face started to feel supple and smooth, like a baby. Aside from that, my face, um, aside from that, a lot of people also started to notice and ask questions. And after I tell them about my experience, straight away they asked to purchase a set. I sold so many boxes within a month. One of my customers who bought one liked it so much that after just 1 week of use, she called and asked to purchase four more. Sorry. So tonight, let's delve into more details about this amazing revolutionary product. So this Synergy Ampule program is composed of 4 bottles that are coded 0 to 3. In the picture, they have colors. But when you open the box for the very first time, you will actually see 4 colorless bottles. I will tell you later on how and why they change colors. Notice that the last part of its name says program. This is because it really works like a program. You have to use each bottle in order of their number label, and unless you have finished one, you can't proceed to the next. So these bottles are individually referred to as code 0, code 1, code 2, and code 3. Notice that it didn't start with code 1. This is because when we start this product, our skin is considered to be in the negatives. The code zero's main function is to bring our skin to ground zero. It basically prepares the foundation of our skin to enable the rest of the products to do their work. The Code Zero's main function is hydration, but we will discuss it in more detail later on. In a moment. Sorry. Although the four codes have different active ingredients and main functions, they have two things in common. The first one is that they all have peptides. Peptides activate the skin's main activities by acting as an alarm in its circadian rhythm. Let me explain this. This is the body's circadian rhythm. It is the body's internal clock that regulates various biological processes over a 24-hour cycle period. Now, what we don't know is our skin also has its own circadian rhythm. To complicate it even more, clinical studies have shown that different layers of the skin have different diurnal rhythms or awakening patterns. And when the skin's biological clock is disrupted, this can cause dehydration, breakouts, diminished radiance, and more pronounced dark spots, lines, wrinkles, and sagging. What are some of the factors that can disrupt the skin's circadian rhythm? Some of these are lack of sleep, diet, stress, UV exposure, hormonal fluctuations. And you will probably ask how. How does it happen? Well, our circadian rhythm regulates the expression of cortisol. Cortisol is the body's primary stress hormone. When our skin's circadian rhythm is disrupted, the cortisol hormone increases. Elevated cortisol can lead to premature aging, including the formation of fine lines and wrinkles and increased dryness of skin. Now, the Synergy Ampule program sought to rectify this problem. How? By employing peptides all over the products. So, how does peptide do it? Peptides are made of amino acid chains, which you know is the building blocks of protein in our skin. These peptides signal your skin to enter repair mode and produce more collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin are the two proteins responsible for keeping our skin smooth and firm. When your skin has more collagen and elastin, you'll see fewer lines and wrinkles. You'll have smaller looking pores, and you will notice a more lifted and contoured appearance of your skin. In other words, less sagging. Some peptides also have anti-inflammatory benefits, so they can help to calm skin and reduce sensitivity as well. So, the next common ingredients of all the bottle is the skin phytogenic water. This alternative water is used rather than regular water. It is a very concentrated extract of specific plants which were selected to target various skincare concerns. It has a large amount of moisturizing ingredients that delivers moisture deep into the skin. It underwent an extraction process called the phytogenic water method. By definition, extraction is the process of separating active plants materials or secondary metabolites from inert or inactive material using an appropriate solvent and standard extraction procedure. Now, why is the extraction method used important in developing this product? We all know that plants have been used since the ancient civilization for all sorts of purposes, from maintaining health to treating specific conditions. In fact, the earliest record of herbal medicine use goes back to the Sumerian civilization about 3,000 years ago. However, the amount of bioactive natural products in plants historically has always been fairly low. The lab intensive and time consuming extraction and isolation processes has also hindered application of natural products in drug development. However, as technology continues to develop, more and more new automatic and rapid techniques have been created to extract natural products, isolate their active ingredients, and synthesize bioactive molecules that can permeate the cells. However, most of us know that Atomy has already perfected the technology for harnessing the active ingredients of the plants so that they can maximize their therapeutic benefits. They hold patents for many of these advanced technologies. Now we discuss the customized formulas of the four Synergy ampules. Code 0 is for advanced hydration. Its primary purpose is to give moisture and improve elasticity of the skin. Code 1, also called Vital Luminous, is for brightening and radiance. Code 2 or 24K Gold Infusion is for elasticity and lifting. Code 3 or Miracle Rejuvenating is for anti-aging. Let's look at each code in more detail. So when you open the box, the four ampules would look like this. The active ingredients are stored both in the cup as well as in the bottle. The one stored in the cup is called the active ampule. This is the solution that gives each ampule their color. The one in the bottle is a clear solution called the core ampule. On the right, you will see how to mix these two solutions. You basically just press the plunger in the cup, and this releases the active ampule into the core ampule. But we will discuss later on why they designed the products this way. The Code Zero or Advanced Hydrating is a premium hydrating ampule filled with moisturizing and elasticity enhancing ingredients. It's a starter ampule that prepares the skin for intensive care. Its active ampule suspended in the cup has a malachite extract, and its core ampule in the bottle has baby NMF and plant liposome. First, let's look at its active ampule. The use of malachite dates back to 4000 BC. It was historically used for centuries to ward off negative energy from the body, healing it from a number of ailments. However, malachite's benefits for skins are tangible. Science would later prove that it goes well beyond energy and emotional healing. A few of the main ways it can aid your complexion are as follows. First, it protects the skin and helps repair damage. Malachite is a mineral that's rich in copper, and in this way, it serves as an antioxidant by working to protect against free radical damage and reducing oxidative stress. Second, it promotes collagen synthesis. Due to its high copper composition, malachite also promotes collagen and keratin synthesis, which strengthens the moisture barrier and firms the skin. Third, it reduces inflammation. Given the detoxifying nature of copper, malachite can reduce inflammation and help with skin regeneration. And fourth, it boosts hydration. Malachite can hydrate the skin by reducing moisture loss. So the extract concentration in the Code Zero ampule is 28,200 parts per million. Its copper component gives it a blue color. Now let's look at the active ampule's component. The first component of the active ampule is the baby NMF complex. The NMF or natural moisturizing factor is a group of elements which together with the epidermal lipids can keep the outer layer of the skin protected and well hydrated. Its main role is to maintain adequate skin hydration. The NMF components can attract and bind water from the atmosphere, drawing it to the surface of the skin, in particular the stratum corneum, which is the outermost layer of the skin. They act as humectants to attract water molecules into the skin and seal it. Hydrated NMF has the capability to bind, particularly those that binds to neutral and basic amino acid, has the ability to form ionic interaction with the keratin fibers, forming intermolecular forces between the fibers and thus increasing the elasticity of the stratum corneum. This elasticity serves to make the skin appear healthy and supple. NMF water binding capability also provides much of the necessary water required for desquamation or shedding of dead skin. Research has shown that many of the enzymes involved in the process of desquamation is affected by water level within the tissue. Thereby, it maintains homeostasis of the skin. The NMF is naturally found in our skin. We were actually born with it, lots of it. And this accounts for the softness of baby skin. However, certain factors like bathing, UV exposure, aging can dramatically reduce NMF levels. At its worst, reduced NMF can cause inflammatory skin conditions like eczema, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis. We move on. Now, the Code Zero's NMF is special because it has selected a complex ingredients, um, including amino acid that are unique to baby skin. Hence the term baby NMF complex. Another important ingredient of the active ampule is the plant liposome. There is 30,000 parts per million in every vial of Code Zero. This plant liposome encapsulates 8 plant derived ingredients. These ingredients were selected mainly for their hydrating and moisturizing properties. Let's have a quick run through. The fig extract is an antioxidant and it prevents water loss from the skin's uppermost layers. Next one is kelp extract. It helps the skin retain moisture and hydrate longer. It also increases collagen production. Hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid is moisturizing. Beta glucan is a powerful moisturizing ingredient as well. Centella asiatica, as we know, helps the skin barrier to retain moisture and reduce redness and inflammation. Ceramide NP and fructooligosaccharides help strengthen the skin barrier. Eclipta prostate has potent antioxidant skin calming properties. The Code Zero ampule also employed a technology called oil capsule stabilization technology, which produces these clear oil capsules. The outer wall of the capsules are made up of acrylate polymer and the inner wall a silky emollient. And you wonder what does an acrylate polymer do? Acrylate copolymer is commonly used in skincare formulation as film forming agent, which literally which literally means it forms a pliable covering on skin when dried, contributing to a soft afterfeel. The silky emollient found inside the clear capsule is also being used in skincare to replace lost moisture. Has easy spreading qualities and have fast permeation for a non-sticky and non-greasy sensation on the skin. These oil capsules, upon contact to the skin, dissolves immediately and release the water-soluble moisture supporting ingredients inside it. They act like a water bank system, which provides a firming effect and immediate nutrition and radiance to the skin. Here are some of the clinical test results of the subject who used the Code Zero. Moving on. After completing the Code Zero, the next one to use in the program is Code 1, also called Vitaluminous. The name of the ampule gives a clue to its functions. It has 13 different types of multivitamins and contains Atomies brightening code. Its active ampule suspended in the cup contains vitamin C, which gives this solution a bright yellow color upon pressing the ampule plunger and shaking it with the core ampule. The core ampule has 12 types of vitamins and contains Atomies brightening code. The pure vitamin C or ascorbic acid is stored separately in the cup of the ampule. It gives the Code 1 solution its bright yellow color. Encapsulation technology was employed to stabilize this high concentration of vitamin C. Why have they added another layer uh, of protection to this pure vitamin C? Is because it is highly unstable and can easily be oxidized. Exposure to air, heat, and light can degrade or render the vitamin C inactive. The vitamin C's main function are to improve skin texture and gives a brightening effect. It helps to maintain clean and flawless skin and helps to firm and smooth the skin texture. And here are the vitamin complex included, which makes up 200, yeah, 200,000 parts per million of the code 1 ampule. Except for the ascorbic acid, these vitamins are the component of the core ampule. So except for the ascorbic acid, all these vitamins are the component of the core ampule or the clear solution in the bottle. All these are powerful antioxidants, which enhances the brightening effect of code 1. Code 1 also contains Atomies brightening code. The brightening code's concentration is 300,000 parts per million, which is about 30% of the ampule's total active ingredients. This brightening code, as you would probably know already, has been incorporated in the Absolute skincare set. Sorry. Atomy has also employed a cutting edge technology that allows for the vitamins and brightening code to target specific problem areas of the skin. They attach ligands to the capsules that contains the active ingredients. These ligands will carry the active ingredient and bind itself to the skin receptors, enabling precise absorption of the active ingredients. You can think of it like a lock and key. This is also how a lot of drugs work in the body. The Vitaluminous targets wrinkles, darkening, and skin parts with decreased elasticity. The next two slides shows clinical test results of subjects who use code 1. Moving on, the next one in the program is code number 2 or 24K gold infusion. Its active ampule is composed of resveratrol, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it improves the overall appearance of the skin. It gives the solution its brown color. The core ampule solution in the bottle contains three highly potent active ingredients: 24K gold, 8 types of peptides, and Atomy's lifting code. Let's look at it in more detail. The active ampule contains 19,400 parts per million of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenol extracted from berries that is effective in treating skin problems caused by aging. Resveratrol has several benefits in skincare. First, it protects the skin. Resveratrol can interrupt negative environmental influences as well as protect the skin from UV damage. Second, it slows down aging. Resveratrol works on a cellular level to fight the process of aging by stimulating healthy cell proliferation. Third, it reduces redness. Resveratrol contains key skin calming properties that help minimize the look of redness and inflammation. Fourth, it evens the skin. Not only does resveratrol brighten and even your skin tone, but it also works to improve the overall texture of your skin. And last but not the least, it hydrates the skin. Resveratrol can hydrate your skin and prevent it from becoming dry. Moving on, the core ampule, as I said, has three potent active ingredients. The first one has been collectively coded as the lifting code. The ampule has 200,000 parts per million of this. As you know, the lifting code is also all over the Absolute skincare set and is designed to lift and firm the skin with three active ingredients: daffodil scales extract, which has the dormant technology applied yosemite, and lupine protein. Like code 1, Atomy also employed ligands as carriers of the lifting code active ingredients, facilitating easy binding to the skin receptors. Through this advanced technology, the lifting code is able to deliver maximum benefits to the skin. It targets wrinkles, darkening, and decrease elasticity. Now let's look at the ingredients of the core ampule. The first is the white lupine or lupin peptide. The white lupin has been used for as far back as 4,000 years ago, and 2,400 years ago was its first recorded use in Egypt. The lupine protein content is very high at 40%, thereby it can effectively improve the skin's elasticity. The next one are the 7 types of peptide complex. But before we go further, let's define terms. Peptide is a compound consisting of two or more amino acids linked in a chain. Peptides help achieve wrinkle reduction by inhibiting muscle contraction and signaling collagen synthesis, which, unlike Botox injection or other invasive treatment, is a convenient and natural option. Peptide complex reinforces our skin's barrier to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles while firming and stimulating repair. First of the peptide complex is the palmitoyl pentapeptide. This peptide was synthesized by binding palmitic acid to 5 amino acids. Now, this peptide is important because it has the ability to regulate cell activity. That means it can send signals to your cells to rebuild the skin's collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. These are the structural proteins that are essential to maintaining skin's integrity, and they play a major role in how the skin ages. On this slide, you will see the 6 other peptide complex used. I won't go into much details about each peptide, but I will summarize their functions. So, the first two peptide, tripeptide 1 and copper tripeptide, are protein alert peptides. They play a role as a protein transport required for cell growth. So it's a medium for protein transport. Then there's the signal alert peptides, and that's the acetyl hexapeptide 8 and hexapeptide 9. Then there's the communication alert peptides, the tripeptide 1 and copper tripeptide 1. These are cells communicate through nerve receptors, and peptide acts as neurotransmitters. Okay. So the next one is, yeah, so this just summarize the different things that I've already discussed. Um, but also, the water bank gel system has a skin firming ingredient. It improves the appearance of deep wrinkles and helps maintain skin's elasticity even after discontinuing use of the product. We move on. 24K Gold. It disenergizes and lifts the skin, making it appear more radiant. The 24K Gold um, is sorry. Yeah, so there's about 24 or 600 parts per million in a vial. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, this summarizes results of clinical tests done on the product. If we can move on to the next slide. Code number 3. Um, sorry, Chair, is it possible to move 2 slides more? If we go back to the 24K one, I think I've missed a slide. No. Okay. All right. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, if we can go back to where we were. Okay. So code number 3. So the code number 3 also has the active ampule and the core ampule. The active ampule contains sucralfate, which gives the solution a light purple color. And the core ampule has lactate and Atomies almighty code. Oh, sorry, all might code. It is a premium anti-aging ampule filled with a high concentration of nutrients. So this ampule contains highly potent active ingredients with anti-aging benefits. Like I said, it has the all might pep complex, and it also has lactate. It has bifida ferment filtrates, and the active ampule has sucralfate. I will discuss in more detail in the next slide. Okay. So the Atomies All Might Code. The Atomies All Might Code enhances the anti-aging benefits of the formula by quickly and accurately targeting specific areas of the skin that need it. The All Might Code has 300,000 parts per million applied per vial. So if we move on. Okay, so it also used a cutting edge technology like the previous ampule. So it uses the ligand receptor way of binding to the skin. We move on. And this is another component of this ampule, the epidermal growth factor. This is a very important component of this ampule because it helps firm the skin. And the ingredients, it's an ingredient that helps regenerate and nourish the skin. The epidermal growth factor is present in the body as a protein that serves as a cell communicating messenger needed to mediate the signaling pathways that control cell growth, proliferation, and differentiation. Clinical studies have shown that EGF is able to reverse the effects of collagenases, the enzymes that break down collagen, while also increasing collagen production. A vital cellular activities it controls is the formation of the extracellular matrix, which is responsible for skin structure and elasticity. With age, however, EGF levels decreases, which leads to less collagen and results to wrinkles and saggy skin. There's also the 6 boosting peptide complex. The 3-step peptide mechanism is organically connected to help with the overall skin lifting care. So, as you can see, it also employs, oh, if we can go back. Yeah. So, it also employs messenger peptides. So the protein alert peptides are the ones that alerts the other peptides to do their work basically. Um, in order to produce the proteins, the collagen and keratin that's needed by our skin. So it's summarized here what their functions are. So there's the protein alert peptides, the signal alert peptides, and the communication alert peptides. So these peptides communicate with each other. Each one has their own function. And basically, they're the ones that helps the body produce the collagen and keratin that's needed, the skin to produce the collagen and keratin needed for to firm up the skin. The next one is lactate. It's a substance. Lactate is a substance that make up the NMF, or the natural moisturizing factor. Similar to natural moisturizing factor, it helps strengthen the skin barriers without side effects. And then there's the sucralfate. So sucralfate soothes and protects the skin. It helps it to regenerate regenerate. As a next generation derma ingredient, it can now be used as a cosmetic ingredients. It has a hydrogenated lecithin. If we can go back, yeah, hydrogenated lecithin. This is a natural lipid with a structure similar to intercellular lipid, and it helps strengthen skin absorption of active ingredients. If we can move on, please. Okay, it has also a water holding system. This is a tightly constructed water holding system that provides basic skincare and rich nutrition. As you can see in the structure, it basically knits all the alkyl carbomer, provides a so like a net. So it links all the structure of all the matrices of the skin, so that it can hold water. Okay, and this improves overall skin condition and allows even particle distribution. And if we can move on, and these are clinical test results. As you can see, there's a yeah quite a big improvement after using this ampule. Okay, so now we move on to its usage. So before we can use the ampule, we have to activate it. We need to mix the core ampule with the active ampule. We need to mix the active ampule with the core ampule. Like I said earlier, you have to press the plunger, which is located in that cup, the cover, onto the core ampule, which is the clear solution in the bottle. When you press the plunger, it will release a colored, depending on what code it is, it would release a colored solution, which when you shake with the core ampule, will create as a colored solution. So as we know, the code 0 is blue, and then the vital luminous is yellow, and so on. So yeah, okay. So yeah. So the Synergy Ampule is a systematic and intensive skincare program that targets specific skin concerns. It is systematic because, as I said earlier, it's a program. So you need to use one before proceeding on to the next. You can't jump onto the next step until you have done the first one. It is also a potent formula. It has a high concentrated concentration of effective ingredients. And the active ampule, as I said earlier, needs to be activated before use. So that's when you activate it, that means you mix it with the core ampule. So you release the plunger, and then the the core the active ampule is released in the core ampule. Then you shake it, and then you after you've shaken it, you then remove the lid, the cap where the active ampule was stored, and you replace it with the dropper. So the dropper was packaged really nicely. It has a paper covering around it, so it's very hygienic. As you can see, it's very well presented. And then you will dispense. So so you take about 2 to 3 drops and spread it evenly on the face and the neck. So yes, this is the Atomy Synergy program. And Atomy, this product can also be used with the EP Skin Booster for even better results. That might be a topic for another day, but it's another amazing product. And we recommend, sorry, if we can go back, we recommend using the entire vial within 2 weeks of opening for best results. For the Vitaluminous ampule, mix the active ampule and core ampule 1 to 2 hours before use so that the vitamin C is sufficiently dissolved. So you need to wait 1 to 2 hours before using it. That's the yellow one. Um, yeah, and that ends my presentation for Synergy ampule. I can take questions. Do I leave the question for later? Okay. So the next product that I'm going to discuss is the Atomy Glucose Care, Banaba and Red Ginseng. This is another one of my favorite product. Um, and I will tell you in a minute. Sorry. Okay. So the this this supplement is made up is a complex functional supplement that helps control postprandial glucose, and it enhances immunity as well. Postprandial means after eating, so your glucose level after eating. If we can just go back a bit, sorry, go back again. Okay, so yeah, like what its name says, it has a banaba leaf extract and a red ginseng. So it's a mixture of these two ingredients. The banaba leaf extract has a corosolic 1.2 milligram of corosolic acid. The corosolic acid is the active ingredient of the banaba leaf extract. And the red ginseng has ginsenoside, 3 milligram of it. Um, yeah, so that's the active ingredient of the red ginseng. It also contains 11 types of premium sub-ingredients, as you can see on the picture. These are carefully selected ingredients and designed to complement the banaba and the red ginseng. Yeah. So what is banaba leaf? The scientific name is Lagostromia praecox. Banaba leaf comes from the banaba shrub or crepe myrtle, an ornament plant native to Australia, Southeast Asia, and India, and is also found in other warm climates around the world, including temperate regions of the United States, and is often referred to as crepe myrtle. In addition to being used as an ornamental shrub, banaba bushes are prized for their medicinal properties. Banaba leaf extract contains high levels of plant insulin known as corosolic acid. Research shows that naturally occurring corosolic acid in banaba leaves helps control postprandial glucose levels. It therefore improves blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. It does this by stimulating the entry of glucose into our cells, thereby lowering blood sugar levels. Banaba also contains ellagitannins and gallotannins. These are class of compounds with antioxidant properties. Corosolic acid can lower blood sugar level by increasing insulin sensitivity, enhancing glucose uptake, and inhibiting alpha glucosidase. Alpha glucosidase is an enzyme that helps digest carbs. That's why it's claimed to have an insulin-like effect. So, insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. In people with type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance increases the demand for this hormone. However, pancreas may not be able to meet those demands, resulting in high blood sugar levels. So, the other uses of this banaba extract is it can also lower blood cholesterol levels. It can help to lose weight without reducing calories, which can lead to weight loss. Corosolic acid in Banaba may have practical application value in the treatment of bacterial infections, upset stomach, etc. It also helps to prevent gallstones. It's suitable for people with diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, kidney disease, metabolic syndrome, and urinary tract infection. So at Datomy Glucose Care Banaba and Red Ginseng, this is how it looks like. So we just define diabetes, what it is, and how it threatens how it threatens our health. Diabetes is a type of metabolic disease in which the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, or the blood sugar after a meal does not come down to its yes, okay, so the blood sugar doesn't come down immediately for people with diabetes. Hyperglycemia, which results in elevated levels of glucose in the blood, causes a number of symptoms and signs leading to the excretion of glucose in the urine. So the Banaba ginseng, this product has two individually approved functional ingredients. They were approved by the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. So this shows the human test results on Banaba leaf extract. So after 15 days of use, you can see a 20 to 30% blood sugar decrease rate. And then another ingredient of this product is the red ginseng, as I mentioned. It is functional ingredients recognized by the Ministry of Food and Safety. Ginseng root that turn brownish red. This is a ginseng. So how they prepare the ginseng to extract its active ingredients is by steaming it. So by steaming it turns brownish red, and then this also they dry it, and then this generates the bioactive substance, which has an increase in ginsenoside content. So basically, by doing this process, you are increasing the active ingredients of the ginseng. So the main functions of red ginseng is antioxidation, memory improvement. It improves blood circulation by platelet aggregation inhibition, fatigue recovery, and immunity enhancement. Um, okay, so yeah, those summarizes the benefits of the product. Okay, it's uh-huh. Okay, so this product is sorry, we can move on to the next slide. Okay, so this product is recommended for people who are concerned about blood sugar at every meal. People who usually consume a lot of carbohydrates. People who have irregular eating habits. Those in need of boosting immunity. Those who feel fatigued all the time. Those who want to recharge. Um, I
That's
think
it.
that's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sales Master Lilia, for that very, very, very detailed explanation of how synergy works to our skin. May I ask everyone if there are any questions, testimonies, or anyone want to share? Anyone?
Carrie, I can share a little bit. Because the Synergy Ampule is my favorite product. for
thank
me
you.
start Atomy as well. First product because I just quite want to know how they do with this all the thing the product for same like the like Leah say after 2 weeks he already can see the results. Same like me, after 2 weeks I just say I want to share with my friend without knowing anything. But need to be careful the synergy ampoule for who, like some people like he just want to for the intensive skin only, but he not really use for the routine of the skincare. I quite suggest they use for the at least for evening care set or any of the skincare first, because some people really not just wash the face, not do anything for the skin. Because I have some friend, they not really care for the skin, but he want to straight away see the skin intensive or something, just do like the program straight away. They make quite too I think it's too rich for them to for first time to using. So we quite suggest they do routine of the evening care set or their fan or any Atomy skincare first, then you can after 1 month you can start the synergy ampoule. But it's very need to recommend everyone to use, even men. Yeah, I love this product so much. I just want to say this is my experience for the some consumer. Yep.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anna. Yes, I agree with you because some of our clients also, they just want to use the synergy straight away. So you are right. What we normally advise, use a certain product of Atomy first. We recommend like evening care or Absolute or any moisturizer. Then after 1-2 months, then they can start to use the synergy. Thank you so much for sharing that. That means that we are doing the right thing. Thank you, Anna. Is there anyone else who want to share? Anyone who used the synergy?
Can I ask a question?
Hi, John. Yes, you can.
Yes, yeah.
I'm using it at the moment, and then I'm on the second photo, which is the Coach one. And after I use it for the second phase, right? I'm not sure is it only me or is it it is like that. I.e., that on the second phase, that after I open the second bottle for the Coach one, it's got some unpleasant smell. Is it like that? Or
Actually, that is the smell of the vitamin C.
Yeah.
If you try to pulverize a tablet and try to smell it, that is actually the smell.
Is it? Because the first day it's okay. It hasn't got much. I don't think I actually smell anything. But the second day, I feel like it's a bit unpleasant.
Is it still yellow? Is it still yellow? Okay, so it's still very active. And I guess the smell comes with it. Yeah, I did notice it as well. But then you know that it's active, and it's actually a good thing because, as I said, vitamin C are easily oxidized. They are very unstable. So if they do not smell anymore, they have changed color. That means it's no longer active and won't have any effect on your skin. So yeah, maybe the other products, the Absolute one.
Can it keep in the fridge? Because of the smell, right? So this morning I put it in the fridge to see whether there is any smell or not. Because I can't
I
find
don't know. Would you know?
Okay, Diamond Master Glenda.
I think
She
sorry,
wants to
Cherry.
share.
I think she's asking if you can keep it in the fridge.
Oh, I'm
Joanne.
not sure. I didn't keep it in the fridge, but what I know is vitamin C is very, very sensitive to light. So once I use it, I straight away keep it back and cover it.
Put it in
Because
a dark area.
put it in a dark place. I don't really expose it to light for a long time. Once I use it and then apply it to my face and then I cover it and then keep it back in the box. That's
True, yeah. That's how I do it.
yeah, because what I noticed when you mix the vitamin C, the color is light bright yellow. But
Mm.
when you expose it to light,
It
because I have
lightened.
a little left, and then I noticed that it starts to change color. It becomes like orangey, and the smell,
Brown,
the smell becomes strong.
yeah.
So I haven't tried keeping it in the fridge. Maybe we can, because it's also a dark place, and it preserve the vitamin C. Yeah, we
We'll
can
have to
maybe.
research it
Yeah,
a bit
we
more, I
can
guess.
put it in the
Yeah,
fridge
yeah.
just to be safe.
But in a dark area, yeah,
Yeah.
just put it back in a
Mm-hmm.
box or something. Yeah, because it's very sensitive to light.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Is there anyone else? Any question? Anyone wants to share? Diamond Master Glenda maybe wants to have is raising your hand.
Good evening, everyone. This is just a addition to what Anna has said
Yeah.
before about using skincare. Actually, when you use the Synergy ampoule, you have to use it with toner first.
Yeah,
After
yeah.
you wash your face, you have to use your toner, then the ampoule, and then you use your lotion, your serum, and your eye cream. You still have to use your normal skincare. And then this is just me noticing or studying about the vitamin C. I think mostly for my clients, my customers, I recommend them using it not on summer, because when you use vitamin C, you cannot expose much to sun.
Heat,
So I
yeah.
recommend using it during autumn towards winter, and then spring, but not during summer when it's peak, because a tendency is, if you use, especially when you're in the stage of the Vitaluminous, your freckles here turns into dark again, so it's no use using it as summer. So just a recommendation.
That's correct, because vitamins actually very is damaged by UV rays, by the UV rays of the sun. So it makes sense for us not to do that. Yeah, thank you so much, Diamond Master Glenda.
Thank you
Al-
so much.
Actually, I just want to add something as well, which I found from my research. So I think the reason why we can't is a program and we can't really like use them together. It has to be one after the other, is because like the malachite extract has a high content of copper, and the copper is gets oxidized when mixed with vitamin C. So they can't mix together because it would inactivate basically the use of the other. And same with EGF, the epidermal growth factor, which is found in the other codes. It is also unstable in an acidic environment. So therefore, that's why they are also like kept in. They are used one after the other, and also the reason why the core ampule and the active ampule are always separate, is because of stability issues. So if they mix it straight away, there's that obviously you have to take into account transport, the shelf life of the product. So if you have mixed them together straight away, then that would mean shorter lifespan for the active ingredients. So yeah, I thought I'd just add that as well.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. There's a lot information that we are learning from this discussion. Is there anyone who wants to share or additional learning for us? Because I know that this is a new product, and soon it will be launched here in the UK.
I
So,
think Giovanni have a question in the chat.
okay, John. Okay, how is Banaba and red ginseng taken? Can be taken uh, neat or a mix?
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry. Actually, what happened was this was included in my other slide, but for some reason it came off from this slide. So but actually that was on my on the slides that I've made. So you need to take it after meal, because obvious for obvious reason, it's to lower your blood sugar level, right? So after meal time, your blood sugar goes up, so you need to take it after meal, and you only take one per day. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sales Master Lilia. Sales Master Vina.
Um, I think with Joanne's question about it being taken neat, yes, it is being taken neat. So basically, you don't add it to anything. So if you open it, you just take it straight away.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we don't need to mix it with water. Just take it like that.
Yeah,
Okay. So it's more convenient then.
yeah.
I
I wish
haven't used.
I wish Jocelyn would have been able to share her experience because she has taken it she had actually taken it, and I remember she's actually in the chat, but I think she's still traveling from work. But I think if I remember it right, she her blood sugar had an immediate effect on the banaba. So I think on the first few days of taking it, she had felt her blood sugar um, reduce significantly. So she ended up taking only, so she was taking metformin twice a day. So she ended up, even on the first week, she ended up halving the dose. So she only took her metformin once a day because the effect was actually quite immediate on the banaba. So whoever is planning to take it, I believe that the effect of the banaba is very strong and it's very potent.
Mm. So then it is advisable to take it after meal.
Definitely,
Maybe,
I
yeah,
think it's the
because
reason why it's
yeah.
postprandial, because technically postprandial would be within the first 2 hours of you having a meal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Sharon Rose, thank you so much, Sales Master Vina.
Thank you.
Sharon Rose Master, Eric and Beline, they have a question. They raised their hand.
Yes, I raised my hand. Thank you for sharing, Sales Master Lilia, and thank you for hosting Diamond Master Cherry. Very, very informative. I can see lots of research went to it. I've learned a lot. Thank you very much. I do have a question. I'm also learning. So I do have a question. So for Banaba red ginseng, if for people doesn't have any diabetes problem or high blood sugar problem, can they take it?
Yeah, so basically, yes, you can still do that, especially if you consume a lot of sugar. So it's also like, can also be like a preventative one. So obviously, if you're someone who's got sweet tooth like me, then this would be useful for you. So then you don't get to that point where you get diabetes, right? Also, actually, what came off from my presentation, the slides that I prepared were the contraindications. So you need to take it with caution. It has to be taken with caution by some people who are on certain medication. So if you're on MAO inhibitor, which is a type of antidepressant, or the other one, the cyclosporine, which is an immunosuppressant, you can take this. Also, if you're pregnant and lactating, because of the ginseng, uh, as you know, ginseng, sorry, yeah, the ginseng um, aids in the anticoagulation, has anticoagulant effect. So also if you're taking warfarin, so those ones also be will also be contraindicated to this one. And also if you're hypertensive and taking uh, drugs to lower your high blood pressure, um, probably leave a space when you take it. I would say, don't take it together, because then, that's that would lower your blood pressure too much. So maybe leave a space, and maybe like just consult, I guess, with your doctor as well. So I think those are the things that I would add. But yeah, it's a shame that it came. I mean, I can update my slide and just send it off.
Okay, thank you so much, Sales Master Lilia, for
I
the
do have
answer.
another question. Sorry.
Okay.
You know, in Atomy, we have a few products helps to lower blood sugar level, right? So like Hemohim also can help to lower blood sugar level. This one also can help with that. And then we also have what you call the bitter melon that can also help
Yeah,
blood
yeah.
sugar. So if somebody was like diabetic, is it too much to have 3 of them, or is it okay just to have one, or we can have what Hemohim and this, or Hemohim or that, or 3 together? Is it too much? If
Yeah,
you know
I
what
would
I'm
say
asking.
you can't. I would say maybe just to avoid what you call this, the side effect.
Hypoglycemia.
Yeah, maybe just space it out. So like if you maybe used one in the morning and then one in the evening, something like that. Yeah, not together with your dog. Because I could explain it in more detail, but there's actually two different mechanism of drug interaction. So sometimes the drug would compete for the receptor. So like the ligand that I explained to you earlier, so it's like a lock and key. Sometimes they would compete for receptors. That's one way of one way how drugs can interact. So that's why there are drugs that you can't take together, and then there's other ones that would also like increase the effect of the other, so thereby the other drug becomes more potent and toxic. So that's why we have to be careful when we take drugs together. We have to study it, I guess, and consult your doctor if possible. Yeah.
Okay, that's very
Mm.
useful. Thank you very much. And I do want to say the Synergy Ampule is really good, especially to help with my acne scar. Yeah. So I found that
Yeah.
not just the absolute set, it's good, but if want to be better, definitely add the Synergy Ampule.
Synergy.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then of course, for anyone here, you can buy the different codes separately. So, but of course, the first
Oh.
good to use the 4, and then you can buy just for brightening only, code 1, or you can
Oh.
buy number 2 only, or you can buy number 3 only. So, like I have number 2 only here. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, thank you.
I think Sales Master Vina has a question, I think.
Okay, Sales Master
Uh,
Vina.
I
Sorry.
think Glenda was first.
Okay. Diamond Master
Sir
Glenda.
Glenda was first to raise her hand.
It's all right. Thank you. I was just like to ask, like we take him red ginseng, the Hong Samdan. So that means the one sachet of Hong Samdan is enough for our one, what
Yeah.
do you call that, supplement for the day, one dose for it. So that means if we are taking like the red ginseng banaba,
Yeah.
then we don't have to take the red ginseng, the Hong Samdan, or
Correct. Yeah, correct. You would probably alternate it, because there's a possibility of toxicity to happen. So yeah, it would be too much for you to be taking both. Because one has got like I think 2 grams already is in one
yeah.
sachet, and then the other one. So yeah, it would be too potent, I think. Yeah. Mm.
Because for the red ginseng, it's not recommended to take a lifetime. It's recommended to take it only for 6 months, and then you have to stop for like
Correct.
3 months and then continue again. So I don't know how it is with this red ginseng Banaba, if you can take it continuously because it's a supplement that helps your diabetes, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
would
think,
probably say, yeah, what do you think, Cherry?
yeah, for me, I think if it's like, if you are a diabetic person and you want to control your blood sugar by using the Banaba and the red ginseng, of course, you have your own kind of medication, and you would monitor yourself every day by checking your blood sugar. And if it's recommended that we have to stop using ginseng for 6 months and then rest for 3 months, within that span of time, I think it's best for us to follow that instruction. And then for the span of time that we are not using the Banaba or red ginseng, I think we need to monitor the blood sugar again, and we have to use other Atomy supplement like the bitter melon. That is also a good supplement for diabetes, and also Himuhim as well. But for this one, they have a same effect. So what Sales Master Lilia was saying a while ago, that it is advisable to space it out when taking those one. Those are just my suggestion.
Yeah, I agree as well. Yeah, because the other bitter melon and himuhim has different active ingredients actually, so it should be okay. Yeah. Um,
Is there any more else who want to
Sales
share?
Master Bina, I think.
Yes, sorry.
Sales Master Bina.
Thank you. Can I just ask, when I used the Synergy Ampule, maybe 4 months ago, I was watching videos because I didn't know how to use it properly. And in one of the videos, it actually said that I can't remember which ampule. I don't know if it's one or two, but you have to, for the first time that you mix them, you have to mix them 2 hours before you want to use it.
Oh yeah,
Or one.
that's
Okay.
the one. Yeah, that's the one because
Because
yeah,
I think the capsules will have to dissolve first. Because
that's
when
it.
I started to use it, I was thinking, why are there like granules? I could feel the granules on my face, and
Yeah,
then that's when I saw on the video that you need to mix it 2 hours before you
that's
actually
correct.
use it.
That's correct. Yeah. Give it a time for the vitamin C to be totally dissolved in the solution. Yeah. Mm,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you as well.
Okay. Is there anyone else who wants to add to our learning for today? Okay. Thank you so
There
much.
is another question.
Yes.
Tess is asking, is it available in Philippine website? I don't know which product, Tess, are you asking about? Synergy Ampule or Banaba Ginseng? And I actually don't know what is available.
Sorry, it's the Banaba ginseng. Sorry, I forgot to mention that.
No, I don't think it's available, isn't it,
So
Cherry?
it's available yet in the Philippines.
Yeah,
It is available in Korea.
Korea,
But
yeah.
then we order them from 80
At Gmall.
IG Mall, and then you choose the country. You can put it Philippines, and then order it from there, and it will be delivered to Philippines as long as you order less than 60,000 Korean won. Then you will not be taxed. If you are going to order above 60,000 Korean won, then you will be taxed. But I don't think Banaba Red Ginseng has got that much amount. Yeah, you can order it from that website.
Thank you.
Okay. So is there anyone else? There's none, then I can proceed to our announcement. Okay. Before proceeding to our announcement, I just want to thank Sales Master Lilia And to everyone that joined this discussion, we have learned a lot from this through everyone sharing. Okay.